Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Gentle English Podcast. Today, we are going to talk about a book that has touched millions of lives. The book is called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. It is not about making money or becoming famous. It is not about business or strategies. It is about something much deeper, living fully in the present moment. And today, we will see how this wisdom can also guide your English learning journey. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's walk together through this message. The power of now begins with a simple truth. The only real moment we have is now. The past is gone. The future has not yet come. But often, we spend so much of our time thinking about the past or worrying about the future. Maybe you remember mistakes you made in the past. Maybe you imagine problems that might happen tomorrow. But Tao reminds us that life is not yesterday, and it is not tomorrow. Life is here. Life is now. Think about your English journey. Maybe in the past you tried to learn and gave up. Maybe you studied for a while and stopped. Maybe you made mistakes and felt embarrassed. Those are past moments. They are finished. They do not define you now. Or maybe you look to the future. You say, one day I will be fluent. One day I will speak confidently. That is the future. It has not arrived yet. The only place where you can practice, the only place where you can grow, is here, in this moment, right now. As you listen to my voice, you are learning. You are present. This is the power of now in action. Eckhart Tolle also explains that the mind is often noisy. It produces endless thoughts, worries, doubts, judgments. And this noise steals our attention. When you try to practice English, maybe your mind says, I cannot do this. My pronunciation is bad. People will laugh at me. I will never be fluent. These are just thoughts. They are not reality. Reality is this. You are here. You are practicing. You are improving. The mind loves to create fear, and fear always lives in the future. You fear what might happen, not what is happening right now. Right now, you are simply listening. Right now, you are simply speaking. Fear disappears when you come back to the present. Try this with me. Say one simple sentence. I am learning English now. Say it slowly. Listen to yourself. Feel the words move through your mouth. Say, I am learning English now. Do not think about yesterday. Do not think about tomorrow. Just this moment, this sound, this practice. That is presence. That is power. When you accept the present moment, everything changes. Tao teaches us that suffering often comes from resistance. We say, I should be different. My life should be better. I should already be fluent. But when you fight the present, you create pain. When you accept the present, you find peace. So accept your level of English today. Maybe it feels simple. Maybe it feels slow. Maybe you make mistakes. That is okay. That is where you are. Acceptance does not mean giving up. It means saying, this is my starting point. From here, I will grow. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again, but the baby does not resist. The baby does not say, I should already be running. The baby simply accepts each step, and with time, the baby walks. With time, the baby runs. In the same way, if you accept your English step by step, one day you will speak with freedom. Another idea in the power of now is the ego. The ego is the voice that wants to look perfect, important, or better than others. In learning English, the ego says, I cannot speak until I am perfect. I must not make mistakes. I must compare myself with others. But this is not real learning. This is fear. True learning comes when you let go of the ego. You say, I will speak, even if I am not perfect. I will write, even if I make mistakes. I will listen, even if I do not understand everything. When you let go of the ego, you become free. You practice for connection, not for perfection. You practice for growth, not for pride. Tolle also speaks about attention. Where is your attention? Many times, when we study, our attention is divided. We read, but our mind thinks of something else. We listen, but we worry at the same time. But when you give full attention to the present, you learn deeply. Try this. Take one English word. For example, the word peace. Say it softly. Peace. Feel the sound. See the letters in your mind. Imagine its meaning. In that moment, you are fully present with one word. That is deep learning. You may forget hundreds of words you rush through, but you will remember the word you meet with full attention. Presence is more powerful than long hours of distracted study. 10 minutes of full attention now is more valuable than 2 hours of half-focus tomorrow. And remember, silence. Tolle says, silence is not empty. It is full of answers. For you, silence can also be part of learning. When you listen to English, do not always rush to repeat. Sometimes, stay silent. Let the words sink in. When you read, pause. Let the meaning sit in your mind. Silence is not wasted time. It is space for learning to grow. You can even see English learning as a spiritual practice. Each time you focus, each time you are present, each time you let go of fear, you are not only learning a language, you are training your heart and mind. You are practicing patience, humility, and peace. Do not say, I will only be happy when I am fluent. Be happy now in the process. Do not say, I will only be proud when I speak perfectly. Be proud now when you take one brave step. Every sentence you speak is a victory. Every word you write is progress. Every moment you listen is growth. So let us bring these lessons together. The past is gone. Do not let it define you. The future is not here. Do not wait for it to give you happiness. The only real place to live and learn is now. Accept your level. Let go of ego. Give full attention. Enjoy silence. Take one step at a time. Each moment of presence is building your English and building your life. My friend, the power of now is not only a book. It is a way of living. And when you bring this way into your English learning, you will not only speak better, you will feel calmer, stronger, and freer. So take a deep breath, feel the present, and remember these simple words. The power is now. Thank you for listening to the Gentle English Podcast. Stay present, stay peaceful, and keep learning, moment by moment, now.